Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a general manager of group finance. I give SolidWorks Premium 5 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, please click below. Previously to using SolidWorks Premium, we were using Inventor. It wasn't working for us. We found the functionality just didn't give us what we needed, so we went to SolidWorks, and then to get the desired functionality, we ended up upgrading to SolidWorks Premium. We chose SolidWorks Premium as our solution above all the different levels of SolidWorks because we found that SolidWorks Premium was the one that offered everything that we needed as a business, including simulation and all the integrations with electrical and other functionality within SolidWorks. SolidWorks Premium was relatively easy to integrate into our business, especially at the start when we only had a handful of engineers using the software. It was easy to basically click and connect, and we were using it on the cloud. When we had more engineers, it became a bit more difficult to manage all of their different workloads, different drawings all in one place. So we actually added the SolidWorks PDM cloud software as well to that, and it's become a really powerful combination. Our advice for someone who's looking at implementing SolidWorks Premium within the business would be first off, do your research, understand what you need and what functionality you're looking for. You may not actually need to go to the full premium edition. If you are, have a really good service provider. The SolidWorks model is based on retailers and on-sellers, so you can make sure you find someone that you're comfortable working with. And finally, know that SolidWorks has a large upfront cost, and so be ready with the budget to both pay for the perpetual license and the ongoing subscription cost.